Hello, greetings again, and I'm back. This is our eighth and the last of all the modules uh, for our webinar, Dr. Maggie Mineral Therapy. In this module, I'm going to present to you kung ano ba ang pinaghuhugutan ko at saan ba yung mga kasamahan ko sa pag-aaral ng siyensya ng tungkol sa magnesium for health and diseases. So, I would like to show to you the scientific studies and organization that I'm part of with. So, ako ay miyembro ng uh, SDRM Society. This is International Society for the Development of Research on Magnesium based in Italy. Members of this organization are scientists, doctors, businesses who are focusing on studying magnesium for health and diseases. Ito yung inatinan ko ng conference sa Amerika noong March 2019. Ang sumunod na organization, non-profit organization, is Nutritional Magnesium Association, kung saan si Dr. Caroline din naman ang aming medical director. And there's this Magnesium in Water website wherein all the information of doctors, practitioners, or you could read from there, no? Ang daming matututunan. This is also one of my solid foundation why I promote magnesium for treatment for health, for good health and treatment for diseases. Another publication is another organization is from World Health Organization. I'll show you the book they publish on calcium, magnesium in drinking water. The International Institute of Health, they published the scientific research, and another book, the hydrogen medicine, which I find it very helpful. So this is the SDRM Society, no? This is the symposium held in March 20 to 22nd in 2019. I told you I was mentored by Dr. Caroline Dean, so enlarged, this is her. And this is me. I was in this, here. Can you see me here, over here? Can you see my cursor? Anyway, um, if you cannot see my mouse, then this is me, and this is Dr. Caroline Dean, and this is the enlarged photo with the red dots. All right. Ang International Society for the Development of Research on Magnesium published a study, magnesium for COVID, especially in inflammation health. And we, Magitech, published the protocol in March 2019 for the treatment of the COVID symptoms. It was published in this website. So our website is sdrmsociety.org. The SDRM Society as well is the source of this published research, magnesium in the central nervous system, who by Robert Vink and Mihai Nekifor, and this was published by Adelaide State University in Australia. Before I dreamed to go to Australia because I wanted to step my feet on the university, and I think that is possible this time. So I would like to meet these people and tell them what they have written in the research is and what I do in my practice. Okay, you can get this book. This is my Bible in treating a lot of diseases. The published research on here and doon sa website ng SDRM Society, you can download Magnesium in the Central Nervous System for free. Just type in the title and you can download it for free. It's very good. Everything that you would like to validate with what I'm saying is there. But I hold the key, the protocol. I hold the protocol. I hold the key. I hold the product. And I'm very proud to share it with you. Next, the WHO published calcium, magnesium in water, in drinking water. You can also Google it and download it for free. Here you can see that in chapter 6, there is magnesium and hypertension. Chapter 7, atherosclerosis and magnesium. Chapter 8, health significance of calcium and magnesium. Chapter 9, calcium and magnesium role of drinking water in relation to bone metabolism. Number 10, epidemiological studies and the Association of Cardiovascular Diseases, disease risk with water hardness. All right. So if you are going to, if you want to validate or if you want to find science, just download these books and that will seal everything that I'm saying to you. Then follow the protocol and you're all good. So these on your screen are many initiatives led by Magitech in responding to disaster, be it man-made or natural disaster. We have received awards and citations, and we share the gratitude and pride to our Magitech community. Nagawa natin ito dahil sa pagtutulungan nating lahat. So here, in this picture, upper right corner, ito yung 7 days neurodetox. Yung 7 days neurodetox is for the substance abuse withdrawal syndrome at addressing the substance abuse withdrawal syndrome ng mga nagwi-withdrawal sa drugs. Ito yung walang sagot during the war on drugs. So I run the 7 days neurodetox to show that the, the gap there is a gap and we are providing solution to that gap. Sunod is the Marawi Siege. During Marawi Siege, we help the victims no to prevent post-traumatic stress disorder. And there's also call to help on the Itogon landslide by the UP Baguio. Also, during pandemic, we help through PITAP. We work with PITAP that we assist the medical frontliners, no, para mabigyan sila ng supply ng magnesium. And ito naman ay during COVID pandemic as well. So LGUs we help also respond to aid LGUs. And my cases, no, these all initiatives, especially the war on drugs, was presented. I presented it in the International Recovery and Conference in June 2019 sa Melaka Historical City of Malaysia. So it was presented there. And I also obtained my credentials to become a professional in helping addiction. It was also the war on drugs as well was presented in the convention by PASWI, yung social health workers at a community-based treatment, ginamit din ito sa drugs and mental health. So I've been to uh, Davao, no, for their drug addiction program. I received the Dangal ng Pililya Awards. What else? We also did the um, habagats, different habagats. I mentioned about the other disasters that we have, plus all the pain healing mission that we are doing nationwide for the poor, elderly, and children. So I hope you get inspired by what we are doing and sana makita nyo rin kung how powerful and how simple and how empowering the Dr. Maggie Mineral Therapy is. And as a founder, I'm here and I'm committed. As a president of Magitech Inc., we are committed to help deliver the much needed information and remedy for managing pain. So, kung sinong may gustong makipag-ugnayan sa amin, we also support the integrated medical mission that we work on the pain treatment division. Pwede po kayo din makipag-ugnayan sa amin or kung mayroon kayong personal or you need for a corporate wellness program or you want to do business with us, then you please contact us at this number 977-286-4642. Please text first or visit our Magitech page, Dr. Magitech, www.magitech.com, or email me at drjean@magitech.com. We are in Antipolo, and you can also visit our Facebook page, Magitech. So with there, you can send us a message para mas madali po ang ating communication. So that's it, and thank you very much for your attention, and hope to see you in other module. So there is a part two this is the part one, and in part two we're going to discuss the details and the protocol for every condition. Thank you again and goodbye.